So I have to work on my little table since I've taken out my big table, but that's okay. So if you've never used chalk paint before, it is amazing stuff. I absolutely love it. Prep was cleaning it, and that's what I love about chalk paint so much, is as long as your item's really good and clean, it literally sticks to anything. It's definitely going to need a couple of coats, but it's going to look amazing, guys. Can you imagine this creamy tobacco colour in my house? I cannot. Like, hand painting it, you're never going to get it as perfect as if you went and got it sprayed professionally. But honestly, I don't mind that look. To me, it's an old looking bed frame, even though it's not an old bed frame. I really like the fact that it's not going to be perfect, because if I tried to have everything in my house perfect, I just couldn't do that. Some people do, and I really admire them, but that's kind of not like who I am. That's why I always say that the shabby chic style suits me down to a T. I'm absolutely loving how it's coming out. You just have to be quite fast and not let those little drippy bits dry. But it's looking so good. So that's the first coat on both sides. If the light's changed in here, it's because it suddenly got really dark again. It looks like it's going to rain again. So I'm just taking off the finials. The bottom one has none on them already. Like, one fell out, but I can't find the fourth one. So I'm going to take it off. I have no idea how the other two fell out. And this is like, oh, I think I need brute strength. I should have done these first. I'm mucking up my paint job, but that's okay. I can paint over it. I got the big guns out. So these are my Christmas ornaments. Do you know what's coming next? Can you guess what's coming next? I have 4 of them. They are really beautiful, and I did think, shall I do this? But I can always get some more. So, if you haven't guessed it already, I'm going to paint them, and they're going to be my new finials for the bed. Now, they do look a little bit big, but that's okay. I did have another look online, and you can buy them on Etsy, but to be quite honest, the shipping is horrendous to New Zealand for anything from Etsy. And then they put tax. So, you know, there were some that I liked, but they're $88 each, and I'm not going to be prepared to pay that times 4. So anyway, let's paint them. So I'm kind of freaking out because I think, oh, they're going to be okay. They're really solid. I don't know what they're made out of, so I'm not worried about that. But I do. My brain's just getting used to them being Christmas decorations to finials on my now spare bed. So, yeah. It's going to work. I thought they might be a bit big. I think they're fine. I'm just trying to convince myself. Honestly, they will look great. It's just getting my head around the different usage. So I'm going to paint the next two, and next time you see the bed with its Christmas decoration videos will be in the spare room, and we will decorate the spare room once the bed is in place in situ, but that will be in a few weeks. Meantime, I'm going to finish it, put it all together, and look out for the future video of that, and I'll see you in my next video.